students. Now I am here with the next topic of crop production chapter of class 8 biology. Crop production chapter of class 8 biology. In crop production, till now what I have made you understand, step by step, they are selection and location of the soil. Second, I made you understand about the preparation of soil, in which plowing, leveling and manuring was there. Third, we went through right after that sowing of seeds. That also have made you understand that there are two processes of sowing of seeds, broadcasting and by using seed drill. Then the fourth steps of crop production, I made you understand about irrigation, modern method of irrigation and traditional method of irrigation. After that, there was manuring and fertilizing. So that also I have given you in one video how to use manures, how to use fertilizers and how they are prepared. What are the difference between manures and fertilizers? After that, this is the next topic, and this topic is protection of crops. So crops must be protected from so many things. In starting only I have told you कि crops को उगाना, it's not so easy. It is not so easy. It takes lots of effort. So even when the crops are grown, they need to be protected 24 hours. So what are the processes of protection and from what we need to protect? What are the things which are to be stopped or which are to be protected? They are, first of all, weeds, and weeding is the process. Weeds are what? Weeds are unwanted plants which has no use, but they automatically grow with the major crops in the field. Weeds are unwanted plants which grow with the major crops and it has no use. So what should be done? Weeding must be done. Why we need to do weeding? Why do we need to do weeding? If these weeds will grow with major crops, they will start taking nutrients, sunlight, moisture and water what are essential for the major crops. It means they will start competing with the major crops. And major crops may lack of these all favorable conditions. So that is why weeds must be removed. So the removal of weeds, the process of removal of weeds called weeding is called weeding. Weeding we can do by two processes. The first one manually, by just removing with the help of hands, as we can identify what are the weeds. And second process, we may go through the यूज ऑफ ट्रैवल और खुरपा. आपने जरूर देखा होगा खुरपा से हम इस तरह से मिट्टी में उसे खोद करके और रूट के साथ निकाल सकते हैं, खुरपे की यूज से या ट्रैवल की यूज से. सो दिस इज व्हाट अनदर वे. एंड थर्ड प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ वीड्स और किलिंग ऑफ वीड्स यूजिंग weedicides. Whenever anything is added by sides, it means chemical substances. Weedicides means the chemical substance which removes weeds. Pesticides, the chemical substance which removes pests. Bactericides removes bacteria. Fungicides which removes fungus. So like that only weedicides. Weedicides are the chemical substances which are helpful in removing the weeds without creating problem to the major crops. They never harm major crops. What are those weedicides? And they are given to the plants with the help of sprayer. We may use spray. So they are, these chemical weedicides are 2,4-D. Here 2,4 means dichlorophenoxy acid. MCPA. MCPA, full form of MCPA is 2-methyl 4-chloro 1-phenoxyacetic acid, 2-methyl-4-chloro-1-phenoxyacetic acid, and butachlor. These are the names of weedicides. Now, this is what I made you the first thing, what we need to be protected. The crops need to be protected from weeds. Second very important thing is what? Birds, stray animals and diseases. So how can we stop the birds coming in the field? You know, when crop starts growing, then these birds come in flock, and what they start eating the seeds of the crops. So to remove the birds from the field, two major processes are there. First, to beat the drums and create sounds. With these sounds, these birds never come to the field. And another thing is using stone for throwing the birds. But you must have seen, आपने जरूर देखा होगा, खेतों के बीच में डमीज रखे रहते हैं. एक आदमी की शक्ल को देख करके खेतों के बीच में लगा दिया जाता है, जिसे कि हम कहते हैं स्केयरक्रो. बर्ड्स को डराना. तो by using scarecrow also we may stop birds to come to the field. Now stray animals. Stray animals can be stopped by using fence around the agricultural field. By making fence, agricultural field के चारों तरफ फेंस से, झाड़ियों से, कांटेदार झाड़ियों से या फिर लोहे के फेंसेस यूज करके हम चरने वाले जानवरों को फील्ड के अंदर आने से रोक सकते हैं. And third is diseases. How to protect our field, agricultural field, from diseases? Do you remember when I was making you understand sowing of seeds? Then I have told you, before sowing the seeds, seeds are treated with fungicides, so that the root of plants never get infected by fungus. And one more thing, when farmers go to buy seeds, they must buy the seeds which are disease resistant. Now there are hybrid seeds are available in the market. So we should take disease resistant seeds. Third thing is that by using different types of things like pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, and giving them time to time to the crops in proper quantity as it is mentioned, neither more not less, with the help of sprayer we can stop the diseases in plants. There are so many diseases in plants: bacterial disease, fungal disease, viral diseases. What are those? Some examples are like rust and smut. These are the diseases which are fungal. And then what happens, do you know? The leaves start becoming pale. Root completely hollow. There is no channels, no vascular system. Then there is a blight. Blight is a disease which occurs in potato plants. And that disease is bacterial disease. It is a bacterial disease. Wilt, blast. Wilt is a bacterial disease. Blast is a fungal disease. So, to protect the crops from these diseases, we need to spray different types of chemical substances time to time with the help of sprayers. So, these were the things from which we need to protect our crops. But there is a very important thing. At the time of protection, there are some precautions to be taken by the farmers. As I have told you, most of the time we are using chemical substances to stop diseases or to stop any kind of insects, fungus or bacteria. We are using chemical substances. So what kind of precautions to be needed at the time of spraying this all? See, you know the common pesticides, what do the farmers usually use for removing pests? That is BHC, Gamexin. This is the common insecticides. Suppose if in a very large area or in a large area any disease occur just like an epidemic in the crop fields, then farmers use aircrafts for spraying these pesticides over the crops. These aircrafts spray pesticides in large area in a very short period of time. Now precautions. While spraying, suppose if we are going through the manually, we are using machine to spray the pesticides or any kind of chemical substances. At that time, we must use gloves, close the nose and mouth properly, cover the hair part properly, and then we should go through the sprayer. While using spray, we have to keep ourselves, or farmers need to position themselves in such a way so the wind do not come towards their face. It should be away from face. Means in the opposite direction of the air. No, you have not to stand opposite direction of the air. You have to stand wherever the air is blowing, in that direction, so that pesticides never comes back to your face. Why? Because air is blowing towards your face. So you position yourself just opposite to it. When you are spraying pesticides or any kind of chemical substances, it should not come to your body part. This must be taken care. And right after spraying, immediately after completing the spraying work, we must clean the complete body with the help of, or with soap and water. These all are the precautions after using pesticides. And earlier I made you understand what are the things from which we need to protect our crops. So this topic is over. I hope you people understood about the protection of crops. So if you understand, you please write the comments and subscribe it, and wait for the next video of the next topic. Thank you very much.